I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be talking to you about our Numatic NVM-1CH type vacuum cleaner bags. These bags are specifically designed for eSpares and are compatible with models by Henry, Hetty, Basil, Edward and more. Just be sure that before purchasing them you check the model number of your vacuum cleaner to make sure that they're compatible with your appliance. Now let's take a look at them. The bags provide a synthetic 5-layer filtration system, helping to increase the airflow and making them 50% more effective and efficient than the standard bag. This means that you can clean for longer without needing to change the bag whilst retaining as much dust as possible. Each bag comes with a flexible seal around the entrance to ensure maximum airflow to the bag. They also have a flap to help seal the bag and prevent dust from escaping when the time comes to change the bag in your vacuum cleaner. These come in packs of 10, making sure that you always have a healthy supply ready whenever you need one. They offer a long-lasting, reliable, durable performance and are also great value for money. Now let's look at how to replace the Numatic vacuum cleaner bags. This is super easy and only takes a second. Unplug your vacuum cleaner, then simply remove the clips at the side and pull the head off. Then remove the pre-motor filter, of which we sell replacements. Take out the old bag and discard it. Then pop a new bag inside the vacuum cleaner and pull the bag seal over the interior nozzle as far as it will go. Then replace the pre-motor filter, put it back on top of the Hoover bag again, and then put the clips back in place. And there you have it, our Numatic NVM-1CH type vacuum cleaner bags. Remember, eSpares stock a wide range of products, accessories and spare parts for vacuum cleaners and all other household appliances. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for plenty more how-to guides, product demos and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching!